What I hope Latinos learn from the Bad Bunny Puerto Rican residency. Benito Antonio Martinez Ocasio, aka Bad Bunny, is the biggest musical act in the world, who's been making headlines in recent weeks by performing a 30-show residency in his home island of Puerto Rico. And not at a massive stadium, but at a relatively modest venue that he calls the Bad Bunny Casita. Now, this was considered extraordinary because Benito could have instead spent his summer on a world tour that would have undoubtedly have grossed over $1 billion. However, by conducting his tour exclusively on the island, Bad Bunny created a $400 million windfall for Puerto Rico's ailing economy. He also delivered one of the most powerful examples of Latino unity we've seen in a generation. Latinos in the U.S. are a $4 trillion economy. And the lesson that I hope we learn from Bad Bunny is that if Latinos work together and consciously do business with each other, we won't need to ask for a seat at the table. We will be building our economic powerhouse that would be larger than the entire economies of Japan, Russia, or the UK. Now, as many Latinos are feeling traumatized by the daily images we see of families being torn apart, Bad Bunny is providing a ray of hope and a powerful example of what can be accomplished when we unite and when the most powerful among us have our back. If you want to learn more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.